luto niya na maigi. Hay kung maghilaw, wala gid. Pwede gid ka pink.
Pink? Oh, that's nice word. It's
Yeah.
pink.
Pink color.
It's nice word.
I want pink color.
Really?
That's my favorite
Favorite color?
favorite color.
That's your favorite color?
Yeah.
Try
That's
to
very yummy.
speak English.
That's very yummy.
Why? Are you a girl?
Why your favorite is pink? We will cooking the banana Q,
Banana.
but color pink the favorite of Toto Chris, color pink.
My favorite is color pink.
Nasa pink now.
Dahil, yan na, nakalagay na. Ay, alangan, itapon mo na yan. Siyempre,
Bakla ka?
favorite mo na yan.
Pink color?
Color pink. Ano? Favorite mo lang, color pink. Sunod, bakla na agad.
Ganun. It's ganun.
Ganun.
Why mo na sana patak?
Ganun.